Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the GoPro Hero 13 Black accessory bundle, a premium action camera that's designed to capture your most epic adventures. Meet the GoPro Hero 13 Black, featuring best-in-class 5.3K video, burst slow MO, and rugged waterproof design. This camera is engineered to capture stunning footage in any environment. The Hero 13 Black is compatible with HB series lenses, allowing you to instantly set up your camera for a variety of specialty shots. The ultra-wide lens mod, macro lens mod, neutral density filters, and anamorphic lens mod offer endless creative possibilities. This camera features a water-repelling lens cover, advanced image stabilization, and a rugged design that can withstand extreme conditions. The included accessories, such as the handler and curved adhesive mounts, make it easy to capture unique perspectives. The Hero 13 Black also offers wireless connectivity, allowing you to sync your footage and control the camera remotely using the GoPro Quick app. The app also enables you to grab stunning photos up to 24.7 MP from your footage. With its advanced features and premium build quality, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is a must-have for any adventure seeker or content creator. Order now and start capturing your most epic moments. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start capturing your adventures with the GoPro Hero 13 Black. This bundle is available now for $500. Say goodbye to mediocre footage and hello to stunning, high-quality video with the GoPro Hero 13 Black.